I'm trying to do this video.
Alright, well I thought you did it. You was doing it when I left. It take you all day to do a quick little video? Damn. All you gotta do is get on there. Hey glam dolls, so and so and so. You know, it don't take all day to do that.
Are you done?
With what?
What you just said.
Why? Why you asking me that?
So I'm trying to record the video. Super excited to be here today to share with you all this Hard Candy Rose All Day makeup kit, and it's the rose gold palette, and I'm also will be using the Kiss Masterpiece nail collection to help complement the finished look of today's video. And I want to begin this video by also saying it's going to be a half of a makeup video. I know this sounds pretty weird, but I have some silicone sponges that I'll be using for the very first time, and I'm doing a separate review on them on how it applies my foundation. So let's just get right on into this video, which will be sharing with you how I achieved at least the eye look. I'm taking some Milk of Magnesia, and it's an old school beauty hack, and I'm just going to dab it all over the perimeters of my face. This helps to control my oily skin. There's a lot of controversy behind using Milk of Magnesia, but I haven't had any adverse, side effects from using it, and there's a plethora of different videos explaining the benefits of using it. So here I'm priming my eyes with the Hard Candy eyelid primer, and with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm blending all the way up towards my brow bone. Then I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color called Medium Deep to help set that primer, and as a transitional color to help, the eyeshadows to blend together more smoothly. And once I finish doing that, here's the rose gold palette. I'm super excited to be using it. It doesn't have a scent or anything like that, but I'm gonna take this beige-ish kind of looking color. Reminds me of my MAC Saddle Brown. It goes on very, very smooth, and I'm liking it, but you know where I'm going with this video, right? I mean, if you're an official glam doll, you should know what I'm looking for right now. I'm trying not to go there with it, but I can't do it. I can't help myself at this point. I'm going to switch from using this color into using my oldie but goodie MAC Cosmetics Saddle Brown. I know I use this in every single makeup tutorial, and it's so much better. It gives me a nice warm tone on my eyes to help warm my eyes up to whatever makeup look that I'm going for. It's my trusty oldie but goodie, and I absolutely love this MAC Cosmetics Saddle Brown. So now that I done popped that into my crease, I'm feeling a lot better. Moving back into the palette, I'm now going to take a little bit of the burgundy and start working that again directly into my crease in a windshield type motion, being sure to blend it out so I don't have any harsh lines or demarcations. Now once I get this color going, as you can see, it is insanely pigmented, but I'm gonna take a little bit of that black, pop it in on that outer V, and that's just to create some definition so that my eyes can have definition to them. Just a tiny bit of that black is going to go a long way. Once I get that going, again, blending in a windshield type motion, and I'm gonna continue doing that until I get the desired effect that I'm looking for. So now I'm going to move into using a flat shader brush, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of the lighter burgundy color and apply it directly on the mobile area of my eye, but I'm going to mix it with the lighter gold color, and voila, it gives me a gorgeous pinkish hue, which I'm going to start applying directly on the mobile areas of my eyes, being sure to keep it nice and low and only on the mobile area of my eyes. And like I said, this is a half of a makeup tutorial because the foundation and everything else, I'm going to upload that separately. So as you see off camera, I did the false eyelashes and wing liner. And here's what I was talking about, these silicone sponges, which I will be reviewing and giving my first try and first impressions upon in a separate video down in the description box below. But to give you a sneak peek of the finished look, voila, here's what it's looking like. All I gotta do now is add some lipstick and I'm done. And this is the final look. Thank you all for taking the time to watch that video. The second one will be down in the description box below, and I will see you in that video shortly. Later, dolls.